Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be talking about the how you can actually set up the MIUI 12 latest control panel in the MI10i 5G device. So this is the MI10i 5G device, friends. And recently, I did receive the update. And after this update, let's see whether is there any improvements in terms of the MIUI 12 type control panel or not. So right now I'm using the previous MIUI 11 control panel only, and in this video I'll try to give you the step-by-step process how to change to the MIUI 12 latest control panel, and what are the tips and tricks related to the control panel. I'll try to explain in this complete tutorial. And make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, for more this kind of interesting videos in case if you want to know about this device. So there are so many videos which are already uploaded on this smartphone, more than 50 videos. So try to check the playlist links in the description, so which does include display comparisons, camera comparisons, loudspeaker haptic feedback, and so many things. I did compare PUBG 90 FPS, 120 FPS, lot of other games. So many videos will be available in that one playlist. So that playlist will be giving you a clear idea. So first you need to go to the settings option and go to the display. So under the display, just scroll down to the bottom and select the option called control center and the notification shade. So once you select that option, there is an option called the use new control center, as you can see, friends. So this is a new control center. So just click that new control center. So once you click that, the new control center is automatically set up, as you can see here. So right now you can swipe from the left or right to get that control panel, as you can see right now. So in case if you're using the system launcher, you can do this options. So let me try to quickly show you what launcher I'm using right now. So that kind of facility is only available in the system launcher, so doesn't have that facility in any other third-party launchers. So that's quite a disappointment. So if you use any other third-party launchers, you cannot swipe from the left or right to get that access. You need to do it from the notification, as you can see here. So left side is for the normal notifications and the right side is for all this control panel. But if you use the system launcher, so then you will be able to achieve this kind of performance, like swipe from the right will give you the notification, all the controls, and swipe from the left will give you the normal notification. So which is really good thing, friends. Is the best useful feature I did find in this phone. So but you need to use you need to figure out a way to install the system launcher, only then it will work. For the normal launchers it doesn't work, as you can see from the left and right. So this is a one tip I can give you. So left and right, which it will be very useful. And this is a new type of control panel where you will access all these things, as you can see, friends. And if you see this option called the small dot option, as you can see, small arrow mark, just click on that arrow mark, and that arrow mark means you will be taking into the small pop-up window instead of opening in the big application. So for example, even with the Bluetooth, click on the small arrow mark, that Bluetooth will give you the small pop-up window. The same thing applies for whatever options. Is there any this kind of arrow mark, same thing, that kind of options also appears. So there's here are the few controls which are already set up here, as you can see, friends. If you want, you can click the edit and you can add any number of control panels if you want. There are already few of them here which is available here, as you can see, friends. If you want, you can disable one by one if you think you are not using them anymore. So in this way you can do this one in this MI10i 5G device. And for more this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.